Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna help you find the advanced video settings in Dying Light The Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching! As the first step, like always, we have to open the settings, so to do it press the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and open options. Now move to the video settings, and in here you can see some basic video settings, but if you press the F button or click this option here, then you will be moved to the advanced video settings. So that would be all for this video, hope you like it, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!